Understanding the Republican Nominee, a guide to U.S. political terminology. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its usage around the globe. Today, we're unraveling a term often heard in the context of American politics: Republican nominee. Whether you're following international news, studying English, or just curious about political terms, this video is tailored for you. Let's explore together what this phrase means and why it's significant. Before we delve into the phrase, Republican nominee, let's break it down into its two components: Republican and nominee. Republican. This term refers to the Republican Party, one of the two major political parties in the United States. The other major party is the Democratic Party. The Republican Party is often associated with conservative policies, economic liberalism, and a strong stance on national defense. Nominee. A nominee is a person who has been selected or proposed for a position, title, or honor. In the political context, a nominee is someone chosen to represent their party in an election. Now that we have a grasp on the individual words, let's combine them. A Republican nominee is a candidate chosen by the Republican Party to run in an election. This term is most commonly used in the context of presidential elections, but it can apply to any level of government, from local elections to state and federal contests. The process of selecting a nominee involves primary elections and caucuses, where party members vote for their preferred candidate. The culmination of this process is the National Convention, where the party officially nominates their candidate for the presidency. Being chosen as the Republican nominee for an election is a significant milestone. It means the individual has garnered enough support within the party to lead their campaign for a specific office, most notably the presidency. The nominee then becomes the face of the party's platform and policies, engaging in debates, campaigns, and other activities to win over voters. The journey to becoming the nominee is competitive and rigorous, reflecting the candidate's ability to unite the party and appeal to a broader electorate. It's a testament to their political stance, leadership qualities, and vision for the future. Understanding the term, Republican nominee, offers insight into the complex and dynamic nature of American politics. It's not just about a title. It's about the ideologies, policies, and leadership qualities that shape the United States and influence global affairs. We hope this video has shed light on this important political term and its implications. Whether you're a language learner, a political enthusiast, or someone curious about the world, understanding such terms enriches your knowledge and perspective. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Stay tuned.